Alright guys, so after you've downloaded the XNest application and register your number and with your email address with link I sent, so the next thing you need to do is to create an account, a trading account. Here, this is it. So either you want to create a demo, so you'll be creating a demo account. You can see I have 3 demos here. So I have different account for trading different currency. You can see I have other PS, SDS, day trading. SDS means standard deviation. You see gold for gold. This one is I will only be using this account to trade gold. So you should have the same account as this. Now I'll be creating another account. I want to have 3 accounts. You can see it brings real and demo. If you want to create a real account, which you will have to deposit your money into, let's say okay, now you want to create a real account. It's going to show you this aspect here, which is standard account. You go for the standard account, press continue. Here I want you to change it to naira, and change it to naira on this area here, this currency area here. Then you put the name of the account. What name do you want the account? What name do you want to be shown on the account? So now I want to put USD card. So I want to be using this account to trade USD card, ST day trade. Just put day trade. SD means standard deviation. That's what my strategy is based on. So after that, you say continue. Then you put your password. The password that you have to remember this password. So it's advisable for you to save this password somewhere. It's advisable for you to save this password somewhere. You can write it somewhere so you don't forget it, because you are going to use it across all the accounts you'll be creating. So now I have my password set, so I'll click on continue. That's open. So now I've opened an account. So this is a real account now. So now let's say we open a demo. So if you want to deposit on this real account, you just click on deposit. So you can use your online bank transfer. This is the fastest way to use. You can navigate and do other. You can use other method. So now let's say you want to create a demo account. Let's say I want to create a demo account. So now I'll just click on demo. Okay, let me show you again. The first thing I'll click on is here, this arrow here. When I click on it, I'll go to demo, then I'll click on this plus, then I'll click demo again, and after clicking demo, I'll go to continue. I'll change this to naira. Then the leverage is okay, you leave it at 2000. Then I'll use the same thing I used the other time. Sorry about that. USD card. So USD card, ST day trading. Just continue. Then the same password. Make sure you are using the same password on this. Open. Now we have our account. Let's see, now we want to deposit on our demo account. is a demo account. Yes, so you want to deposit on it, you just put in like 100,000 naira, though that doesn't mean when you want to deposit on your, you can use 20k. 20k is the minimum you can deposit when you are trading the live account. So just continue. Now we have the 20k deposited. The next thing now that you need to do is to go to your MT5. You have to go to Play Store to download your MT5. So after you downloaded your MT5, you click on this plus icon, then you come here and you look for Xness. This is the technology limited. So now what are you going to put in here? You want to register, you want to put the register account that you've registered on Xness. You want to log it in here. You want it to be showing on our MetaTrader, because we'll be using MetaTrader to execute our trades. So now I want to log in your account into this MetaTrader. So what will you have to do now? You have to go to your Xness again. These details, you click on it, then you go to setting, then you go to login, this login here. So you copy this login and make sure you look at this server here. Make sure you are using the same thing that is provided, the same server on your MT5, MetaTrader 5. So this is it. You can see Xness MT5 trial 9. With is real, you will see what it's gonna bring. Let's go and check the reel that we just created, which is real. Go to real, you see details here. So on the reel you can see Xness MT5 reel 9, and the login details is different. So now let's go back to our demo, which is we are using which one, USD. Yeah, so now you go to details and setting, then you can see this login. You just click on it and copy it. We are using Xness MT5 trial 9. So you can see it's already here. It's gonna bring a lot for you, but that, make sure you are using that trial 9. This is real, these are real here. You can real. So now you are using this trial 9. The next thing now is you paste your login details and you enter your password, the password you entered just now. So now you have your account ready. Your account is ready. You just go to the chart, you go to trade. This is your money now. This is your money. Go to history, there's nothing there. You can see you just deposited this. So now you go to trade. Whenever you see me call a trade, you have to come to your chart here. Whenever you see me call any trade, you come to your chart here, then you choose the currency. Let's say you are looking for USD card. You can see USD card is not here. It's not here. USD card is not here. So when you click on this place, this currency pair, this symbol that you are seeing, is going to bring out all the assets that you have. So now what do we have to do? We go to code. Now we want to add a new instrument. So now what do you need to do? You have to come to this level here. You can see this plus sign. Let's say you want to use USD card. As you can see it, you just click on this pin. So sometimes it may be gold, which is SAUUSD. So you just click on this, it's going to add. So you can be adding your pairs as I'm adding it. Let's say we are looking for AUD, AUD. Just click on this. It's already there. You can see your chart here. So now if you want this currency, what you have to do is you click on it, then go to chart. You click on it, then go to chart. It's going to load your currencies for you. So now when you click, just a click on the screen, it's going to pop out these options. So you can change your time frame. We call this time frame. These numbers you see here is called time frame. So when you click on it, 30 time, this is 30 time frame, this is 15-minute time frame, this is 2 hours time frame. So we have 4-hour time frame, then we have daily time frame, we have 1 minute, and also here you can change it here. You have it here. Here you can change whichever you want. If you don't want anyone again, you just click and hold. It's not going to show again. That 4 hour is not here again. So let's say now you want to add back the 4 hour, you just click and hold again. And mind you, you can only add up to I think 6 or something like that, or maybe 10, I don't know. So this is 1 minute time frame, this is 15-minute time frame. What is the meaning of time frame? Time frame really means these candles that they are printing, each candle will be dropping. This is 15-minute time frame, so this candle will be printed in 15-minute time. When it is 15 minutes, you can see it's counting 11.56. This is 11 minutes 56 seconds. So when it reach 15 minutes of printing, this candle will drop, another one will open. So that's what time frame is. So the next thing I'll be showing you is how to take trades. Now we just did how to register your account and log in into your MT5. This is your MT5, don't forget, and this is your Xness here. So thank you.